So in my hands, I have one of the craziest and coolest drones around. This is the Mavic 3 Pro drone by DJI, and it is absolutely amazing. This is the orange variation, and it looks so sick. You can see that it is completely compact, and it's got an amazing 4K camera display out in the front with gyros and sensors to keep it stabilized in the air. You can see it has 3 camera lenses for wide and close-ups, and they are literally a lifesaver as I'm flying around. Now the cool thing is the wings are completely compact and fold inside. When you're ready to use it, you can literally just take the drone here and fold out the wings just like this. And they have a really cool fold out pattern to make sure nothing gets in the way, and they are perfectly safe. And once it is all folded out, you can place it on a table, and the legs underneath it have these rubber ends, which allows it to not get damaged when placed on the ground, especially for landing. And overall, it is super lightweight, can fly for around 30 minutes, and it's just absolutely fantastic. These blades also spin and close in, as you can see here, and provide great mobility in the air. It's got these sensors on the ends to keep it from crashing into trees and other objects, which is amazing. And it's even got this really cool battery here that is just quick release. So I can just press the buttons on either side and it will snap the battery out just like this. It is quite big. I have about 3 of these, so I can just place it in here. When I'm done, snap it in, and you are good to go. So you can come down, fly up immediately, and everything is right as rain. So overall, this is a very sick drone. I just absolutely love playing with it. I've got some amazing landscape photography, and it just can get to so many different places, and I absolutely love it. If you're looking for an amazing, high quality professional drone, definitely check this one out.